Hey there, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and this is an exciting day in the Doug and Nikki testing studio. We are indoors, and this, in this box here, is a super cool new product. I do need to tell you, it was supplied to me to do this review, but I am very excited about it, not only for what it is, but I think I'm gonna be able to do a correct interpretation of the name of this knife. You can tell me about it after the fact. So this is from CJRB. Let me open it up and show it to you. This is a great looking EDC, everyday carry knife. This is their Pyrite, P-Y-R-I-T-E series of knives, which to me, I think that's pirate, right? These are pirate knives. Arty matey, I've got a pirate knife. So that's my exciting part for myself. Look how cool this is. It's got a stainless steel housing. The blade itself is a really high quality steel. It's really nicely balanced, feels really good in your hand. This thing is super cool looking. I love the way it looks. A couple things you might want to know. This is 7.3 inches in full length. The blade itself is 3.11 inches. It is so light. Closed, it's 4.19 inches, and it only weighs 3.7 ounces. But this thing is super freaking cool. Listen, if you've watched this channel a lot, you've seen lots of knives come and go. This is clearly, like, just so obvious when you pick it up and you look at it and you touch it and you smell it. This is quality, right? This is cool. This is not like, oh, it just got carbon fiber thrown on it to look cool or some anodized thing. This is just like pure, effective stainless steel, great knife, super cool. Overall, I'm gonna say this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Really excited about this. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.